Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh, and today we're going to dive into a very important topic: how to back up music on your phone for free. Whether you're looking to safeguard your favorite tracks or simply want to free up some space on your device, we've got you covered. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks just like this one. Now, let's dive right in. Now that we've set the stage, let's jump right into the first solution: backing up your music from iPhone to your computer using Wondershare MobileTrans. It's a powerful tool designed to simplify phone data transfer and backup, offering an intuitive interface that lets you move music, photos, and contacts and much more between devices effortlessly. Whether you're backing up your music or transferring it to a new device, MobileTrans makes the process quick and hassle-free, supporting all modern smartphones and compatible with both Mac and Windows. It is the ideal tool for transferring and backing up and restoring phone and WhatsApp data. Now let's take a look at how to use it to back up your music. Step 1. Begin by getting the Wondershare MobileTrans installer from our official website, and then using the installer to install the software on your system. Once launched, approach the Backup and Restore module and click Backup from the Phone Backup and Restore function. Step 2. At this point, you will be required to connect your iPhone to the system via a reliable USB cable. Afterward, check the Select Content to Backup and ensure music is selected along with any other data before hitting Start to create a backup. If you prefer to store your music in the cloud for easy access across all your devices, let's explore how to back up your music to iCloud. iCloud is Apple's built-in cloud storage solution, which makes it a very convenient and secure way to store your music without taking up any space on your actual device. Let's go through the simple steps to get your music backed up to iCloud. Step 1. To perform an iCloud backup, access the Apple ID settings and choose iCloud. Here, scroll down to find the iCloud backup option and ensure that it is toggled on. Step 2. After that, hit the Back Up Now button to create a backup of your entire device, including music. Step 3. Furthermore, you can enable auto backup for your music files by accessing the Save to iCloud screen in the Cloud tab. Here, scroll down to find the music option and ensure that it is toggled on. Next up, let's talk about using iTunes to back up your music. iTunes is another great option for transferring and backing up your music library, especially if you're looking to have a local copy on your computer. With iTunes, you can manage your music files and make backups. The steps needed for backing up your music to iTunes include the following. Step 1. You will need to access iTunes and click Account to opt for authorizations. Here, choose Authorize this computer to let the computer use your Apple ID. Step 2. Following that, log in using your Apple account and press Authorize to proceed. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer and access the File menu in iTunes. Step 3. Next, opt for devices and select Transfer Purchases from your iPhone's name to transfer purchased music to your iTunes library. This method only transfers music purchased from the iTunes store, so do bear this in mind. Finally, this method provides a flexible, cloud-based solution for storing your music, allowing you to access it from anywhere. Google Drive offers free storage of up to 15 gigabytes, making it a practical choice. It's a simple and reliable option to safeguard your music. So let's go over some steps to upload your music to Google Drive. Step 1. Download and install the Google Drive app from the App Store if you don't already have it on your iPhone. Then, open up the app and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Now tap the plus button in the bottom right corner and select Upload. Navigate to the location where your music files are stored on your iPhone and upload them to the drive. And that's a wrap. It's as simple as that. We've covered 4 free and effective ways to back up your music, ensuring your favorite tracks are safe and accessible no matter what. Whether you prefer using tools like MobileTrans, iCloud, iTunes, or Google Drive, each method offers its own advantages. If you're looking for a hassle-free and comprehensive solution, MobileTrans stands out with its ability to back up not just music, but a wide range of data quickly and securely. Before you go, again, don't forget to like this video if you found it very helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.